Today you are going to complete the text feature review test that is actually set up just like yesterday's scavenger hunt. The main difference here is you're going to be using a different Scholastic News. I just want to show you how to find that. This assignment is in your Friday folder. When you click on that, it's going to open up with a Google form called Text Feature Scavenger Hunt Test. When you are ready, type your name. You're gonna choose the link just like yesterday, but this time we're gonna be using the March 1st Scholastic News called Skating in a War Zone. So once you click on the link, you are probably gonna have to log in. If it doesn't say log in here, which I think for most of you it does, you can find that here on the 3 bars on the left. You're going to choose I am a student, and then you are going to log in with your Google Classroom credentials, which means you are not typing anything here. You are simply going to Google Classroom and choosing your account. And once again, Bailey, thank you for letting me steal your identity. I'm going to be you for a few minutes. Okay, and then we wait because Miss Gilbert's internet is slow. All right, that will take you to where it says browse the latest issues. Yesterday we looked at the February 15th. Today we're looking at Skating in a War Zone. This is the March 1st. I need you to click here and listen to these words. You are not reading these articles. You are not clicking on additional videos. Today you are only looking at text features, and text features by definition are everything in the article except for the article. So you're not reading them. There's one section where you're going to be reading a text feature. It's a little comic strip, and it's tiny. It will take you seconds. But you are not reading these articles now. We'll come back to this magazine because there are things I do want us to look at here. But right now, we just want to look at text features. So you're going to open in presentation view. You're going to choose your language. So we have English and Spanish. And that's going to take you to the magazine itself. Now, some of you learned that it's easier to make this full screen and then flip back and forth between the text feature questions and the magazine itself. Some of you liked to drag this tab and move it over to the side so you had both of them. I don't care how you do it. You do what works best for you. Just remember you have your Zoom capabilities here. And there's also in your address bar, there's the magnifying glass where you can reset when it gets out of control. Okay. Let's go back to so you're going to type your name. I'm going to be Bob, and I'm going to click next. Pay attention to the headings. Okay, so here we have Hope on Wheels. All the questions in this section are based on the first article, Hope on Wheels. So when I go back to the magazine, I'm going to go find that article. So everything that it's going to be asking me in this section is going to come from this article. And if you pay attention, your next section will have the name of your next article. So pay attention to what section you're in so you'll know where to find the answers. These questions are set up just like yesterday's. Given the text feature, tell me what kind of text feature it is. We're also looking at specific text features for what's inside. For instance, we're talking about a text box, but what text feature is in the text box? And then again, we are looking at the words you should know, the vocabulary words for each article, and you have certain questions you need to answer about those. When you click next, it will take you to questions about the next article. And that's it. This is not a gotcha. It should be pretty simple. We've been practicing these for 2 weeks now. I think you're ready. If you have any questions with technology, you need to ask me. This is a test, so I'm probably not going to help you with a whole lot else. Sorry.